Let's take a look at conditional formatting. I created a chart of movies and ratings. I actually forgot the name of this one and I didn't want to look it up, so Clone Towers it is. So on this left side you have a list of movies and on the right side you have a list of the ratings. There are so many ways to use conditional formatting, but I just wanted to provide a brief introduction. In this case you could click on column B and that's going to select all the ratings in it. The area up here is called the ribbon, so make sure you are in the Home tab of the ribbon. You can click Conditional Formatting over here. Hover over this first option, which is Highlight Cells Rules. And let's just try clicking on the first option, which is Greater Than. I'm going to type in 8. And in this right option, if you click on this drop-down box, there are many options you can choose from. There's yellow fill, green fill, custom formatting. There's a bunch of different options, but especially if you're new, I would encourage just to use this first option, just so you can get a feel of it. According to this box, Excel is going to format cells greater than 8 with light red fill with dark red text. So if we click OK, now as you can see, it highlighted all the cells that are greater than 8, and it also highlighted the ratings. Come on, Excel, I thought we were a team. We're gonna fix that real quick. So I'm going to get rid of this conditional formatting. I'm gonna copy all of this data. So let's say you have a long list with a lot of data, and you can do the same thing. Conditional formatting, highlight cells rules greater than, and I'm gonna hit 5, and you can see that it highlighted all of the data that's higher than 5. You can see 4.3 is the only value lower than 5, and it's not highlighted. So you can see how useful this can be. You can also use this with a filter. I have another video covering how to use the filter, but just to show you, you can select column B, go to the Data tab, click on Filter, and you see as I click on Filter, there's this drop-down arrow that pops up. And if I click on this drop-down arrow, you can filter by color. You can filter by this light red filter. So now it's only going to show the values that we placed under the conditional formatting. So anything lower than a 5 is going to be hidden. And then you can filter by no fill. So that'll only give us the data that is lower than 5, that is not highlighted. Now if you want to clear the conditional formatting, you go back to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, Clear Rules, and Clear Rules from Entire Sheet. If you have the cells selected, you can use this one, but I'm going to click on Clear Rules from Entire Sheet. Let's do one more example. Let's say you start making your list, but you forgot to keep track. You're afraid some of these might be duplicate values. So you can select column A, click on Conditional Formatting, Highlight Rules, Highlight Cell Rules, Duplicate Values, hit OK, and now you can clearly see that Force Awakens is in there twice, Rise of Skywalker is in there twice, Phantom Menace is in there twice. Now if you apply the filter, Data tab, Filter, and filter by color, now you can quickly see all the values that have duplicates. And I cover sorting in a different video, but you can sort these. And now you can clearly see them: Force Awakens, Phantom Menace, Rise of Skywalker. And you can delete these manually. And there's also a quicker way to remove duplicates, which I cover in another video. But if you get rid of the filter, now there are no more duplicates. So that was a hopefully relatively brief introduction to conditional formatting. Here's my question for you. What's your least favorite Star Wars movie, and why is it The Clone Towers? Please let me know in the comments below, because I'm really interested to know. Do you want to know my favorite Star Wars movie? No joke, it is legit Rogue One. I thought it was just fantastic, and it's my favorite out of the bunch. I didn't really like Force Awakens that much. The more I watch it, I don't actually like it more, I just forgive it more. I've watched it at least 3 times, and it's just not my favorite. It's okay, it's fine, but Rogue One is fire. Thanks for watching.